Are you looking for the best full-face snorkeling mask for adults? In this video we will look at some of the best full-face snorkeling masks for adults on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Grizzva G2 Full-Face Snorkel Mask. The mask for snorkeling model Grizzva has a wide field for the free visualization of the environment, which does not prevent the comfortable breathing of the athlete through the nose or mouth, who decides while doing the activity. The Grizzva snorkel mask has a lens that makes viewing much more satisfying. You can enjoy 100% real images of the marine world, unlike other masks that have curved lenses. These curved lenses transmit images with a fisheye filter. This filter can distort reality. Things seem to be further away than they really are. And above all, it causes physical discomforts to the swimmer, such as dizziness and headaches. The camera has divisions between the eyes and the nose with the mouth, which prevents the fogging of the viewfinder. In that way, the person's breathing will not reach the viewer and his vision will not be disturbed at any time. This helps to keep calm because the fogging can be annoying and slow down the fun. The swimmer will have to stop his activity to diffuse the mask, and a lot of precious time can be lost in this. Greatever is a perfectly foldable complete mask. This will reduce the falls that can be caused by any reason. It has a long lifespan because it is very durable and will not present those problems other non-collapsible masks if they have. There will be no problems during installation, such as damage to the buckle or loss of the equipment itself. Pros: come with detachable camera mount. Anti-leak mask. Available in 6 colors. Cons: cleaning required after some times. Number 2. Vaincre 180 degrees full face snorkel mask. The Segmart full face mask is specifically designed for snorkeling without exceeding the depth of 10 meters, not for professional or free diving. Once this distance has been overcome, you should hold your breath for as long as you can. The Segmart 180 mask straps are quick-fitting and made of a soft material of good quality. It is available in different small and medium sizes for people with smaller faces, and larger sizes for larger faces. It is a mask that has a complete and perfect design for the unobstructed appreciation of the interior of the sea, with an available field of vision of up to 180 degrees while not having to opt for uncomfortable and unnatural breathing using only the mouth. Thanks to the fact that it is a full face mask, the swimmer will be free to breathe through his nose and mouth if he wishes, in the most natural way possible and without any pressure or discomfort. It has advanced technology that provides a dry cap to breathe freely and prevent the entrance of water to the mask with an airtight seal. That way the swimmer will not have any discomfort in vision or breathing. A mask where the viewfinder and the lower section are separated but do not stop forming the same complete mask, designed in such a way to prevent fogging, and therefore, obstruction of vision. For a more and better experience in snorkeling was that a full-face mask like the Segmart was created, because first of all, the swimmer is looking for the enjoyment of the activity with the greatest safety and comfort that can be obtained. Pros: lightweight. Anti-leak mask. Anti-fog. Cons: none. Number 3. Cozier design snorkel set. Adult full-face snorkel. Have fun with your family using this scuba diving set. Yes, it has sizes for men, women, adults, kids. Also, its swim flippers are adjustable. Besides the fitting convenience, it allows you to have a fog-free 180-degree panoramic view. Its perfect adjusting features allow you to breathe easily and avoid the claustrophobic feeling behind. The best thing about this scuba mask is that you don't need any practice before diving in the water, because you'll get accustomed to it within a couple of minutes after diving. You might get a little water leakage inside, but that's okay. You just need to blow it off to remove it. You don't need to worry about its quality too, because the full-face scuba mask is made with a polypropylene stutter-proof frame. As you can see it in the title, it's a scuba set where you get a pair of fins with it. It's super flexible with cutting-edge design, and for gripping, the pair has a non-slip bottom. The lens is anti-fog since the breathing chamber is separated from the visor. This ensures more time for underwater clear views. Because of the dual flow ventilation for your air, this mask ensures that you get fresh air all the time. Thanks to the incorporation of a sealant drain valve feature, you need not remove this mask even when it is invaded by water. The drain valve gets the water out while the dry top seal ensures no water gets into the mask even when you are submerged. Pros: GoPro mount available. 4 colors and multiple sizes. Clear instruction guide. Cons: long-term use leaking issue. Number 4. Wildhorn Outfit as Seaview Snorkel Mask. This is another of the popular snorkel masks designed to enclose the full face, meaning the eyes, mouth and nostrils. It has many awesome features, and the chief benefit is that it enables you to breathe just as well as if you were on land. This is a cheap snorkel mask, for people who may be unable to afford the costlier counterparts. However, cheap in price does not mean cheap in quality, as this mask will last a long time, and it packs awesome features. Made with high-grade silicone, the snorkel mask fits snugly on the face and it will not leak. Consider also the wide 180-degree view and you will see that indeed, this is one of the best investments that you can make if you love snorkeling. It will not set you back a lot of money. It is cheap, but it serves the user as well as the expensive snorkel masks. Why pay more when you can pay much less for the same features? The October Moon Snorkel Mask opens up the view in the water for you. Adults as well as children can use it, so it is a good buy if you love snorkeling as a family adventure. When you adjust it on your face, it will not come off loose, and so you can enjoy an uninterrupted view all around you. Pros: easy to breathe when wearing the mask. Very affordable, adjusts easily to fit your face. It does not fog up. Great wide view. Water does not enter the tube or the mask. Sold with money-back guarantee of 90 days. Cons: it is a bit pricey, but it is the best in the market. Number 5. DiveLux Mask Original Full Face Snorkeling. If you're looking for a comfortable full face snorkel mask that won't break the bank, then this is the perfect option. It's made of lightweight polycarbonate plastic and soft hypoallergenic liquid silicone for the highest level of comfort, safety, and durability. It's ideal for anyone with silicone allergies. The snorkel tube is longer than other full-face masks, which gives you a little extra protection in the wind and waves. It also comes with a free waterproof phone case, so you can capture all those magical underwater moments without forking out for a waterproof camera. Frankly, except for the stylish design, this mask really does not offer anything above what other masks offer. But it is cheap. Anyone can afford it. No sweating, no leaking, and the silicone band for fitting is friendly to the skin. With the nose and mouth section separate from the visor, there will be no fogging, and so you can see clearly all the time. Because this is a dry snorkel mask, it has been built to keep all water out of the tube and the mask itself. DiveLux means you can now dive up to 10 feet in luxury, breathing as comfortably as you would out of water. Pros: sturdy and strong construction, scratch-resistant lens, excellent anti-fog properties, wide, unobstructed views, super soft, hypoallergenic silicone, longer snorkel, affordable. Cons: needs to be tight to avoid leaks. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.